As soon as I started recording, they stopped the bone conduction. It's very quiet in here. Let me turn off the speaker. But the live stream is still going. They're basically just hitting with frequencies and doing illegal internal surgeries. Basically all the frequencies. I just brushed my teeth, so it's like fresh minerals on my teeth. And they hate healthy blood flow. There it goes. So all of that goes on for hours and hours and hours. And what it sounds like is just normal creaks. But what it feels like is that's what it feels like on the body. That's what it sounds like, and that's what it feels like on the body. But it's so low, and it's so low frequency, and it just continues for hours. And it's not the person upstairs. It has nothing to do with the person upstairs. It's just bone conduction technology, and it's been going on, which is why I create these live stream videos that go on for almost 12, 13 hours, sometimes up to 24 hours to capture that noise. Because when you're getting hit with something that feels like that 24/7, and you can't record it and you can't document it, and then they stop doing it because you're recording it, that shit is annoying. It's not only annoying, it hurts the body. So this is just me trying to gather proof of that. And now they're trying to make the camera as blurry as possible. And now they're trying to make it seem like somebody's stopping, going. And they're putting it in this area to make it seem like somebody's walking upstairs when no one's walking upstairs. It is what it is. And it just goes on for hours and hours and hours.